What is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G, back with another video. It is a rainy ass fucking day, and today we are gonna go driving and maybe get some rain drifts in the M340. And I might have found a new spot of like construction, basically like it's like a track, like a paved ass sections of road with roundabouts and shit. I apologize for looking so rough, bruh. I sure haven't got a cut in a minute. Straight been working so much, been editing videos, been just building my life. I've been looking homeless, but it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it one day. It's a typical start of my video where I need gas, so that's what we're on the way to do right now. Song of the day, I'm gonna put y'all on, bruh. Alright, we almost to the spot now. I just wanted to say, if y'all watching, which obviously you watching because you're gonna be seeing this, but please drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you fuck with the content, if you fuck with me, many more to come. So we're like to the spot here. I made a cinematic here one time, but it's basically like, I don't know if they're gonna put construction here or whatever, but it's just all these nice ass paved roads with nothing back here. Damn, that lighting was crazy. But like, this shit go forever, bro. I'm finna try to maybe get like a launch control, slide some of these fucking roundabouts, bro. We gonna see. Look at all this shit back here. It's just endless fucking road. Oh, look at this fucking turnaround. Let's see if we can get a little skid. Bro, I don't know if I like to skid with my left hand and hold it with the right hand, bro. I'm finna buy a GoPro come Friday, bro, and y'all finna get all the shits, bro. For now, on one hand. I ain't never really slid this car before. It's super hard to record one-handed. Damn, look at that baby, bye. It's super hard to record one-handed and fucking skid. I'm gonna try to set y'all up, like, let's see if this will work. I should get like a cup or something. Oh, I got something, bro. Bro, we finna improvise, bro. This is YouTube on a budget, bro. Straight water bottle, bro. Watch this shit. Watch this shit, alright? We finna set it right here. That's a budget tripod if I ever seen one. Should I wide angle that? Nah, we're gonna keep it regular. And that bitch looks so nice. Put it bit back in manual. Bro, I wish I had a GoPro, bro. Man, I could get y'all such good head footage if I had two hands, bro. That third gear spin, boy. We're gonna go down one more time. Fuck it, I'll get y'all one more. It's gonna suck when houses are back here, bro. This is a spot for real. Bro, see they back there looking, bro. I don't know if you can see. There's like a cop, or not a cop, like a person. They like they just lurking, bro. They like, what the fuck you doing back here? And that's like the second or third time I done seen somebody, so I should probably not be too long. But let me look at my tires, bro. I've never actually looked at these tires. But it's wet outside, so I shouldn't be really doing damage to them, bro. But these low ass 225s, bro, I can't wait to get 65. Bro, I swear this is the sexiest fucking car, bro. It's not even low. It's not even low. We're on stock fitment, bro. Look, them hoes sitting in, bro. And this bitch is just so sexy, bro. Space is on the way. I'm not gonna spoil everything, but there's a lot of cosmetic mods coming. My warranty expires in like a month, the factory warranty. So then that's when we gonna get a downpipe. We gonna tune it. Maybe Saturday. I don't know if I put this in video. It depends on if I straight get it off. But I might put this hoe on the dyno. It's like $100. There's like an event, and you can put your car on the dyno 2 runs. It's completely stock M340, but it makes 382 to the crank. I wonder what it makes to the wheels. So it might be a cool video to make for y'all. Let me know in the comments if y'all would want to see this hoe get on a dyno, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna lie too, bro. I appreciate the fuck out of y'all that watching, bro. There's one dude, fuck, I'll put his name, bro, if I can find it. But he's like, he commented first on my last video, bro. Like, he been watching, he subscribed, he tapped in, bro. And I appreciate the fuck out of that. Like, oh shit, here somebody comes. But like, I appreciate the fuck out of that because, damn, is that Troopers? Nah, that ain't Troopers. What the fuck he doing? I'm gonna see what this guy wants, bro. But yeah, anyways, he didn't want nothing, bro. He was just saying, oh, cool car. I seen you down here. I want to see what's up. I was like, hey, well, that's what's up, man. He's just in a little fucking Corolla, bro. I was like, hey, bro, I'm just trying to get some pictures, making a video. So sub to the channel. So all y'all that are tapped in and subbed and y'all actually come back and comment and whatever, bro, that means the world to me, bro. Like, I'm so damn fucking appreciative, bro. Like, listen, bro, we all got lives, we all got drama, we all got stress. Like, it can be like straight like hard for everybody, obviously, but like straight when I'm having a hard day and I get a comment like, bro, sick car or whatever, like, oh, I love it, keep it up, like, that straight motivates me, like, whatever. And it's straight like a little community of people, bro. And like, it's small, but like it's growing a little bit, like. And it's just cool to see, bro. We're staying around, bro. We straight gonna fucking get a meet and greet or something. Meet and greet. Like, I'm a YouTuber. But we gonna get something going, bro. I'm trying to meet up with y'all. Like, there's so many cool people on YouTube, bro. I straight never thought like I'd be making YouTube videos, but it's just so fun and like it's a creative outlet. And I just like I fuck with it. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get a cinematic for y'all.
I'm on the shrooms, that shit got me crying, I need some vicing. I keep fucking with the wrong type of girls, I need advising.